A warm welcome. Daily routines, how to protect our time, energy and focus. What's important? Most people think they need more willpower. I don't think willpower is finite. Every unnecessary decision drains a little bit more of it. Lean routines don't replace willpower, they protect it. Instead of continually asking ourselves, what should I do next? We're simply following decisions we've already made. Let's consider. I'd like to share the bare bones of the system I use. You could copy it exactly, but it's far better that you adapt it to your own life, and it takes a bit of time learning how to adapt it properly. Every morning I ask myself one simple question. Which 3 tasks will I focus on today that, if when I finish them, will both move me forward to what's important and leave me feeling good? I've always found there's something powerful about the number 3. By the time I sit down to work, the day has already taken shape. It's not deciding what matters throughout the day. I'm simply executing the priorities and decisions I've already made. In the evening, I use Marshall Goldsmith's daily questions. Rather than asking whether I've achieved perfect results, I ask whether I genuinely did my best. Did I do my best to achieve the 3 tasks I set this morning? Follow my daily exercise, meditation, fun, and eating routines. I think we all need a bit more fun. Significantly help today's clients. Move the needle on my business. Help others be happy and build positive relationships. Stay fully engaged, and identify 3 things I'm grateful for. These questions aren't there to make me feel guilty. They're there to provide feedback and focus, and it takes 10 minutes. Each week I preview the previous week and identify my key tasks for the next week. Each month I review the previous month, identify my 3 tasks for the next month, and ask and confirm that they're aligned to my North Star. The daily serves the week serves the month keeps me moving towards my long-term direction. Takeaway: the purpose of routines isn't to create bureaucracy, it's to create freedom. Like a great jazz musician, the freedom to improvise comes from first mastering the underlying structure. Good routines work in exactly the same way. They remove unnecessary decisions so our time, energy and focus remains available for the things that matter most. Next step. I'm Michael Beale, CEO coach and one-to-one NLP trainer. If you'd like to explore these ideas in more depth, you're welcome to book a complimentary 30-minute discovery session. Otherwise, please watch the next video, where we'll explore 2 of my favorites, hypnosis and meditation. The question: what one routine or daily question has made the biggest positive difference to your life? I'd love to hear your answer. Please post it in the YouTube comments. As always, thank you for your attention.